In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix invalid session error on Minecraft. So if you're coming up with this error here, so what you can do to fix this, step one, what we're going to do is on your computer on the search bar here, type in view network settings. Okay, so type in view network settings or view network connections. So just open up your network connection, click on it and then open it up. And then from once you're on this network connection page here, select the network that you're connected to. So whether it's either your Ethernet or Wi-Fi or whatever you're connected to. In my case, it's Wi-Fi. So I'm going to right click on it and then hit on properties. And you get to this dialog box. From here, choose the Internet Protocol version 4. Okay, click on it and then select properties. And then you'll get to this box here. So here, make sure this option, the first option, obtain an IP address automatically is selected. And then on here, on the DNS server, this part, make sure select the second option, which is use the following DNS server addresses. Click on it. And for the preferred DNS server, type in 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So all 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And then for the alternate DNS server, type in 8, again 8, 4, and then 4. So it's 8, 8, 4, 4. Okay, once that's done, click on OK. Okay, so once this is done, next step 2, what we're going to do is go to your computer on the search bar here, type in CMD, which is the command prompt. Okay, type in CMD command prompt and then run it as administrator. Okay, so make sure you run it as administrator. Click on run as administrator and run it as administrator. When you get to this screen here, the first command that you're going to type in here is ipconfig. Okay, ipconfig space / flush DNS, FLUSH DNS. Hit on enter. Okay, once that's done, next what you're going to do, the second prompt is you're going to type in NETSH. Okay, NETSH space win SOCK winsock. So net sh space winsock space reset RESET reset. Hit on enter. Okay, and once this is done, all you have to do next is restart your computer. Click on restart and then restart your computer and then launch the Minecraft, and that should now fix up your issue.